I'm thinking I'm a slightly better human being than the character in the film, slight bit.
We have seen you in Bollywood movies before, but this is something we never seen it on the big screen as you.
There's nothing. No one has seen this stuff on big screen.
Really, I must say, and interestingly, in Bollywood, never seen before. We have seen that you going for a rigorous training and all sort of training for this movie. Was it been a conscious effort to do, or is it something really comes from your heart?
See, one is for me, this film is very, very special. Firstly, because of my childhood. Now, I grew up on stories like this. I grew up on Amar Chitra Katha. I've grown up on tales of the Ramayana and Mahabharata told by elders to me, and those were the stories of growing up. And when you watch films like a Troy or a 300 or a Gladiator, you know there's so many Indian stories that can be told, and so beautifully told. And I guess for me it was like a childlike dream coming true. I'm saying before being an actor, before being anything in cinema, I was always a movie lover. I used to watch films right from when I was a little child, and any fancy film excites me, and always period war films excited me, and to be part of something like that and to play an antagonist in a film like that, like if you when you know the tale of Ramayana, Ravan is probably one of the coolest characters. If a Mahabharata, there is a Duryodhana who's so grey and so solid, and to portray something of that scale in a film of that scale, I think there's nothing better for an actor to ask for.
And how do you relate with Balla, your character especially? How much Rana is?
How do I relate? I'm thinking I'm a slightly better human being than the character in the film, slight bit. But obviously this is a character that somewhere consumes you, because you start becoming him. See, you start playing this character for over 3.5 years, and that's all is there in your mind. Whether it's the way you walk, the way you speak, unknowingly characteristics of yourself start tilting towards that till reality gets back in.
Tamanna, were these guys been in offset, were in the reality of these characters? Have you seen it?
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं. ऑन सेट इट्स अ पार्टी एक्चुअली. बहुत मज़ा आया क्योंकि दोस्तों के साथ काम कर रहे हैं हम लोग. सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी वर्क प्रभास बिफोर. एक फ़िल्म कर चुकी हूँ, एंड उनके साथ फिर से काम करना बस एक दोस्त के साथ काम करने जैसा. एंड इंटरेस्टिंगली इस फिल्म में जो भी सब टेक्नीशियंस हैं, मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर रिलेटिव्स ऑफ राजमौली सर. सो एक ऐसे बहुत ही फैमिली एनवायरनमेंट था, एंड बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल. जितनी मुश्किल फिल्म है शूट करने के लिए, उतने हमें कंफर्ट्स दिए गए ताकि हम इस फिल्म को पीसफुली शूट कर सकें.
As we seen that you guys are going back anciently, but technology wise we are going up front for the movie. But we have seen that Rajamouli sir haven't used green carpets and all of those things. He is more into reality much better. So was that guys for more challenging for you guys to do all those stuff in front of all those junior artists and the people are around you guys?
See, like in war we were like shooting for more than 100 days, 120 days and all. There were like almost sometimes 2,000, 3,000 people on set behind art department, or like 1,200, like 4,000 to 5,000 people working sometimes. So it is like it's not hard to work because it's set and it's all our people. So but the problem is like to set up, make another setup. Like once the shot, they want to reshoot the shot, this amount of people, they'll take a lot of time to reset it. For the technicians, it was really hard to make this film because it's like big people. If you want to do another shot, like we need to call everybody back, and it'll take like hours and hours for them to shoot.
Well, as far we know, the film is in Telugu and Tamil. So how do you guys feel that the production like Dharma production come up and backing up the movie with the Hindi audience? How much the Hindi audience gonna relate with the movie especially?
See, it's an honor for the whole Bahubali team, because he's the biggest name in our country, director, producer, Dharma Productions and all. So it is like the reach which Dharma Productions can give to this film, I think no other film can do. We have a best product here, but that is because of Dharma Productions, that Karan Johar, it's going to be reached everywhere in the country.
Yeah, I want to know this with Tamanna. What are the do's and don'ts you tell Prabhas for the Bollywood, especially as he's so far new for the Bollywood industry? Do you feel? What are the do's and don'ts? You guys are familiar with the Bollywood now.
I think it's. Yeah, are we familiar? Do we yet know what we do?
Still something.
There are no rules, yeah. I mean, at the end, we all have to be comfortable with who we are, and Prabhas is a huge star down south. And everybody, even up north, is aware of his films क्योंकि बहुत सी dubbing films आजकल सब लोग देखते हैं. तो बहुत बड़े स्टार हैं ये, and इनकी सादगी इनकी सबसे अच्छी बात है. And that's something it's not detachable from him. I think he wins over everybody with all his simplicity and his sweetness.
Ronald, you want to say about this anything? What are the tips you giving to him?
Give any tips? I am first of all clueless about this, and I think I'm the last person giving him any tips about anything in this form. I think ultimately he's himself, and here you go, he has a brilliant product with him, and what more does we need?
So